At its highest and simplest level, you can think of CMI5 as the specification that defines how to use xAPI when you're launching content from an LMS.
So we have to ask ourselves, why xAPI? Well, there's three basics you can see here. First, that learning can be recorded wherever it occurs. If I could tell you in Department of Defense how valuable it would be to record data that would normally just be recorded on a clipboard, a guy standing someplace checking off if you're doing something correctly or not, you would be surprised how much value that adds. There's still a lot of paper that flies around in DoD.
It's the use case for xAPI in the LMS launches content scenario. It was originally designed as a replacement for SCORM. With CMI5, you're getting the best of both worlds. You get the convenience of SCORM with the packaging and the importing of content and the extended data tracking capabilities of xAPI, and you lose a lot of the negatives of SCORM.
CMI5 provides a sound foundation for tracking a myriad of experiences via xAPI and an LMS, including from a bunch of different learning record providers. Profiles create an opportunity for the richness and complexity of experiences to be captured and have their meaning preserved within xAPI consistently over time. Often we hear that profiles are recipes, and I like that analogy. Not just that they tell you the ingredients, which are the verbs, but that profiles can provide a way to share a mindset or approach to observing an experience. Recipes are tied to specific techniques around how to prepare a dish a certain way. That ability to transfer complex concepts within a community is also present in some xAPI profiles. They can include things like weighting of experiences, a learning strategy, or even details on how a system used in the training environment was functioning at the time of the statement's generation. There can be a lot more to a profile than just a list of verbs.
We're not going to put code up in front of you as a part of this tutorial, rather just tell you the specific ways to access the template. So let's talk about what is needed to create this course as well as the process behind it.